I first met Bill when I was going through my little accident I had.
She fell down and she went to the hand doctor. They told her she had to have a few operations. And I got scared because we bought a house 24 years ago. And I says, we could lose everything. And that's when we came and saw Bill.
Just talking to him put me at ease. He let me call him anytime I wanted and answer the phone call right away and felt very comfortable.
He walked us through it and he says, there's no way you're gonna lose it. You didn't do anything wrong.
Very lucky. It turned out very well. And I would recommend them really to anyone.